Hey crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. I am going to share some fun little projects. I finally got some sun. It's been super foggy over here in California, kind of all up along the coast. We haven't had fog like this since I was in my teens, you guys, like 2019, because it is so thick, you guys. Can't even like see your neighbor's house across the street. That's how thick and dense it is. And I think it's like 2 o'clock right now, and it's finally clearing up. So it is. I haven't seen this in a long time. It's not new to me, but it's been a long time. Anyways, I have been playing, actually almost done, with these stamps. I stamped them up and I finally colored them up and got some done. I did share one project, I think, on Instagram. I can't remember if I shared it. I might have posted it on stories, but you guys, these stamps are so cute. Look at this. I put my paper out. My desk is still a horrible mess. I am rambling as fast as I can because my mind is going 100 million miles a minute, you guys. But look at this. Oh my god, they're so pretty, right? I don't know if I shared them. I can't remember. But anyways, they are the cutest Christmas stamps. I think they were delayed on getting them out. But you guys, oh my gosh, I love them. There's another little bakery storefront. Love these little shop stamps. I can't remember who put a few of them together, and it's so cute. So I think I'm going to try to do that on a 12 by 12 paper. We'll see. But this is the one that I actually shared on Instagram. You guys, love how it turned out. So I stamped her onto watercolor paper, and then I obviously colored her in. This oven mitt is from Roxy, from Hello It's Me Roxy. I'll put her shop in the description box, but I'll have to find the video where I show how to do this, because this is actually smaller and it's an apron that is the SVG file, the listings for that. But I enlarged it and played around with the box to create it, you know, to make something similar to the apron. But I just had to make something with her stamps because I thought it was so cute. And these little flower stamps, I stamped them apart, fussy cut them out, and glued them down. So cute. And of course I had to add some of Erica's flowers. Love, love. Oh my gosh, I just love these, you guys. Okay, so that was that. Oop, and making a mess over here. And then there's also this one here, which, you guys, I absolutely love this little guy. I stamped him up and colored him, and then I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I was cleaning out my craft room, as I usually do, randomly when I run out of ideas, or I just hit a wall with like no, I don't know, my mojo goes away. Anyways, I found these chipboard albums that I had from Michael's, and I thought it would be so fun to create like a little cover and use the design for the top of it. Now, I'm not done with it because I feel like I need to add, you know, a cute little flower there. And I just got the cover done. I need to go back and dig out my Christmas paper because I already put it away. At least the paper pads. But I think I want to try to find scraps that are in this poinsettia style and use that. So like make it nothing but like poinsettias. But since I have Valentine's Day out and it said love you to the North Pole and back, I pulled out this embossing folder. It's from My Creative Time, so it's really large. And I put in these paper sheets from Michael's. You guys, this paper is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's like iridescent. I love it. And 9 sheets of 4 colors, which I'm fine with because I rather have more sheets than colors, especially when these are the main colors we're using. But I did, you know, run it through the embossing folder, and it kind of was, since on the thinner side, it really took the pattern well. Anyways, I added some ribbon. I put these fun little hearts. These are from Michael. I just picked them up. Aren't these cute? They were 40% off, so I grabbed a pack and added them there because I thought it'd be perfect. But oh, I just love how we'll see. Anyways, that's what I did with the snowman. And then I made some cards with a few of the other stamps. You guys, oh my gosh. Okay, so this one, I was playing around with Erica's Valentine designs, and I I cut out a design that has the rectangle, and it had the leftover paper, and so I thought it'd be fun to layer it on top of the stamped image and create like a shaker. So I did that, and I did use the little cupcake and Santa. I did some masking. Where is the stamp set? Oh, right here. So I took these two, and so when I stamped Santa down, I created this extra little like layer here like this. I use Post-it notes. I have a whole bunch of them, and so I thought it'd be perfect. And so all I did was that, and then I took the stamp, did one side and then the other side, and then you peel this off and then you watercolor. I did do a little bit of paper piecing, so I don't know if you guys can see that. I picked up this paper pad from scrapbook.com, and it is this design here, or these designs, and so I used some of that for this card. I thought it'd be cute. And then this lady, I just wanted to color her, honestly. I loved the oven mitt one, so I wanted to do this one because it had the gingerbread. This is going to be for perfect for Valentine's Day, and I just kept it simple on the inside, but isn't that so cute? I think I'm going to send it to my niece. I think she might like that. This one's so cute. Look at this. And I did the candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses. How adorable. I know it's like not Valentine's Day same, but still it's cute. Anywho, those are the oh wait, and I did one more. Ugh, I swear, I'm going so fast. I pulled out the shop one and wanted to make like a cover, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my stash of 6x6 like albums, and I think I'm going to make like a fun little bakery album. I think that would be cute. So I got to figure that out. So I did this, but I used that pink shimmer paper, and I used the embossing folder, and then layered up this gingham and layered up the design. So cute. I also pulled out my punch, the corner punches. It's like an EK Success punch, but it was just fun coloring. This is something I do at night, my watercoloring, because I could just sit there and doodle and not worry about anything, and it's quiet. I'm not cutting paper. But these were the paper pads I used for this project. And then we have new stamps out, so stay tuned because I will come back for these because I already have stuff cut out for them. This one, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm going to make this one into cute little hearts with this design. It is so cute. And it's perfect for Valentine's Day, so I'm definitely going to use that this month. For next month, I should say. Look at the new barn design, you guys. This is so cute. It's hearts on the snowflakes. That is so cute with the snowman. I'm going to do a pink barn. I love that idea. So I want to do Copic colors with this one. And then there's a new stamp. I think this is a recipe one. Isn't this so cute, you guys? The hot cocoa pie. Me and my daughter were going to do the cream cheese one. And then we got sidetracked and made different stuff. Anywho, but this is so cute. I think I'm gonna have to try this because my husband loves chocolate pie, so we might have to do this one. And I just love this snowflake with the Valentine, like the heart. I think it's so perfect. We're gonna have to see if I have a tag big enough for this because I would love to do that. And then look at this new shop set, you guys. Isn't this the cutest with the mug on top? I love that. Love, love, love. So cute. And the little snowman in the mug. I love that. That is so cute. I think I'd want to stamp just with the mug in like this by itself in like a larger size. I think that'd be so cute. And then look at the little snow mittens. Those are cute with the stamp. The same. Oh, it's the same one. Oh, I love that. And look at these. Oh, may the chill of winter be warmed by friendship. Warm wishes. So cute. These sentiments are so great because you can add them to a little tag and just add it to, whatever you're working on. So cute. And look at this, guys. I love this one. These little marshmallows are absolutely adorable. I am thinking of different ideas. Warm wishes and snowy kisses. And then we have the mug with the all the marshmallows in there. So cute. Cozy. Oh, I love that. And the little snowman. He's adorable little heart on his hat. That's so cute. Okay, I have a cool idea. The hot cocoa warm quilt Pure Bliss. That is going to be so cute. I have a stamp that does quilting kind of pattern, so I'm going to mess with that and see if I can get something out of it. And then these two sayings are so cute. January is like Monday, only longer. We're almost done with it. Snowflakes are winter's butterflies. So cute. So this one's called the Cozy Cocoa Elements. These are so cute. I think these are going to be perfect for come December. I'm going to keep these out all year so that I have them there available. I will link them all in the description box because they are available now as well as the other set. And come back soon for some more videos. I hope you guys liked these projects and you guys are having some fun crafty time and staying warm and healthy. I will be back soon. So thanks for watching. Bye.